Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We're going to make the second card in the July 2021 The Adventures Begins card kit from Paper Pumpkin. We need the card front that has the camping lantern on it. We need the Let Your Light Shine stamp plus a little butterfly or lightning bug, I guess it is, stamp, and a circle for the greeting. And we'll need some sequins as well. So let's go ahead and stamp our greeting. Let Your Light Shine on the circle. So we're just going to ink that up really well. And then we'll stamp it down. This one it's not inked up as well. So let's just keep doing that. The nice thing about the photopolymer ones, as I've said before, is that you can see where the ink is and how much ink you've got on your stamp. So we're just going to pop this down like that. And let your light shine. And we need to put some dimensionals on the back of this one. And we need to put them towards the bottom because we don't want to stick the card to the background. So we're just going to peel these off. Then we're going to add some of those little lightning bugs to the lighter areas. We're just going to pop this down like that. I'll use just a wet wipe to clean off the ink, and then I'll change it over. If you have more than one block, you absolutely can. Oh, I've lost my lightning bug. Where did my lightning bug go? There he is. If you have more than one block, you can absolutely just use the one block. You don't have to keep changing the stamp, but it's absolutely possible if you just have the one block that came with the kit. So I'm going to ink up this little lightning bug, and one goes up here. You can see there's a light spot there and a light spot there. So I guess so they are lightning bugs because they're in their little area of light. And we're going to add in the sequins. We need to put one down here under the light, or under the Let Your Light Shine greeting, and then one next to there. And then we flip over to the blue ones, and we are putting one up here and one over here. So thank you very much for watching this second card in the July The Adventure Begins Paper Pumpkin Kit. Stand by for the third card and some outside the box cards. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next video.